everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a sleek hair look with ponytail for less than $4. Yes, so please stay tuned, relax, and I'll be right back. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rita. Today I'm trying to share my step-by-step guide on how to style my hair extension for a stunning look. So to start, I have my hair extension ready to go. The first step is to braid the extension, which helps inserting the coils later on. I find that braiding really enhances the overall style and gives it a lovely wave. So you need to make sure that your hair extension is not free. Make sure you brush through very well so that you will avoid any kind of knots in the hair. Yeah. Na, 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 So once that is done, I prepared a bowl of hot water. This is where the magic happens. I add a generous amount of conditioner to the hot water, creating a nourishing mixture that will help define the coils and keep them looking vibrant. After mixing the conditioner in, I carefully place the braided hair in the hot water, so I let it soak for about 5 minutes. This step is very essential as it helps to set the coils and ensure they hold their shape beautifully. While I wait, I like to take a moment to clean up my workspace and get everything ready. So once the 5 minutes are up, I gently remove the braided extension from the hot water and towel dry it. You want to be gentle to avoid any damage to the coils. Now I begin the exciting part of unraveling the braids. As I gently separated the coils, I see how the conditioner has worked its magic. It always so satisfying to see the results. I allow the coils to air dry completely, which helps them look their best. So today I'll be using Eco Styler gel and gummy gel. These gels are fantastic for making my hair sleek and in place. So while the coils are still drying, I take this opportunity to massage my hair. Oh, it doesn't only feel great, but it helps blood circulation. So I really love to massage my hair. It helps me relax. So next, I started to section my hair into smaller parts and then comb it through before applying the gel. Once I'm done combing my hair through, I started to apply the gel. But I did that in smaller sections. This is crucial for achieving a neat and polished look, guys. I apply the gel to each section, ensuring that every strand is coated, and after applying the gel, I comb through each section and make sure it's smooth and free of tangles. Then I secured it with a rubber band. I repeated this process for the back of my head, taking my time to ensure that everything is well organized and look fabulous. If you have watched this video up to this moment, please don't forget to like, share to your family and friends, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about this look in the comment section. I can't wait to hear what you think about this hairstyle. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And if you are new here, please, what are you waiting for? Just click on the subscribe button and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you very much as you do so. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Once I have finished with the back, I moved on to the front section. I created a side pattern which adds a new dimension to the hairstyle. So for the front, I take smaller section of hair, apply the gel, comb through to smooth it out and secure it with rubber band. I repeat this process all over the sections of my hair until I got everything in one ponytail. This method is all about being precise and patience here to achieve that sleek look we're all looking for. Once all my hair is gathered in a ponytail, I braid my own hair and tuck it away neatly to keep everything tidy. Now that my hair is styled, it's time to bring in the extensions. My hair extensions are completely dry, so I'm excited to attach them. Using rubber bands, I secure the extension to the back of my head and then at the front. So this helps to blend everything seamlessly. To finish the look, I also use part of the hair extension to wrap around the ponytail just to make sure everything is in place. I've not even finished styling this hair and this hair is looking beautiful. Guys, look at this one girl now. Look at the hair. The hair is it not giving? The hair is giving. It is giving. Come on guys, just look at this hair. Who wouldn't want to try this kind of hairstyle? After checking myself out, I went ahead to use my butterfly clips to accessorize my hair, so which will also give it this vibrant look. So afterwards, I also trimmed some excess hair just to make sure I achieve a seamless finish. And that's it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel inspired to try out this hairstyle for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more hair styling tips and tricks. Until next time, happy styling. Bye. Yeah. Na, 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 na.